Data from the U.S. Department of Education indicates that 42% of business graduate students from private universities had student loans. So there is our P, or true proportion, 0.42. Suppose that you randomly survey a sample of graduate business students from private university. Consider the sampling distribution with samples of size 120 for the proportion of these students who have loans. What is the mean of this distribution? Well, the mean of the distribution, typically denoted mu sub p hat, is always equal to the true population proportion. So in this case, 0.42. What is the standard deviation of the sampling distribution, also referred to as the standard error? Again, that is typically denoted sigma sub p hat, and that is found taking the square root of p times 1 minus p all over n. So in our case, that would be the square root of 0.42. 1 minus 0.42 would be 0.58, all over root n, which in this case is 120. And if you round your answer to 3 decimal places, that would be equivalent to 0.045.